Welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. So I'm going to show you all the mesquite tree that I trimmed all the little branches off to try to make just a central trunk on it, turn it into a tree instead of a bush. Let's see how it's doing after a not so great monsoon season here. It actually looks quite healthy. It's gained quite a bit of diameter since the last season when I trimmed it. So while I'm here this trip, I'm going to cut off these horizontal branches at the lower section here, there and there, and probably that one, and I'll just leave, and I may cut that one as well, and just leave that top portion there, make it keep going up. It's grown quite a bit though. And it's got roots deep enough to tap into that moisture that's locked in the soil. You can see it's real dry over here. The creosote are in survival mode. Those little green patches are viscous acacia. There's a few out there that look alright, and mesquite, those little green ones. Even the creosote over there where the original portion of the pond is are starting to brown out. Let's go over there on the other side of the creek where that other mesquite is that I trimmed to just a central trunk. See what it's looking like. So here we are at that other little mesquite right here on the leaky weir of the main creek that feeds the pond. It grew a little bit. Needs a trimming again. I'm gonna have to cut off these horizontal branches here, there. I'll probably just leave these top three for now, or possibly even trim them all off and just leave this one so I can keep this thing going up higher. It's starting to work. Just a slow process here in the Chihuahuan Desert. Well, I'll keep the updates coming as the years go by on these trees. We'll see how long it takes to turn it into a bona fide tree. We'll see you on the next one.